Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss a problem of CSIR NET December 2019's problem of numerical analysis. Here we are given that x is equal to xi is a root of this biquadratic equation, and we have to find the rate of convergence for the iterative scheme given by xn plus 1 is equal to 10 minus xn to the power 4 plus 3 xn square. For this, let us solve this problem. Here x is equal to xi is a root of the biquadratic equation x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus x minus 10 equal to 0. Hence, xi to the power 4 minus 3 xi square plus xi is equal to 10, which implies xi is equal to 10 minus xi to the power 4 plus 3 xi square. Let us denote this by equation 1. Now the iterative scheme is given by xn plus 1 is equal to 10 minus xn to the power 4 plus 3 xn square. In order to find the rate of convergence of this iterative scheme or method, let us put xn plus 1 is equal to xi plus epsilon n plus 1, where epsilon is the corresponding error, and xn is equal to xi plus epsilon n. Now from the iterative scheme, now if we substitute this in the given iterative scheme, we have, this implies xi plus epsilon n plus 1 is equal to 10 minus xi plus epsilon n to the power 4 minus 3 plus 3 x xi plus epsilon n the whole square. This is equal to 10 minus, if we expand this, then we have 10 minus xi to the power 4 minus 4 xi cube epsilon n minus 6 xi square epsilon n the whole square minus 4 xi epsilon n cube minus epsilon n to the power 4 plus 3 xi square plus 6 xi epsilon n plus 3 epsilon n square, which is equal to 10 minus xi to the power 4 plus 3 xi square plus 6 xi minus 4 xi cube epsilon n plus minus 6 xi square plus 3 epsilon n square minus 4 xi epsilon n whole cube minus epsilon n to the power 4. Now using the equation 1, we can write this is equal to xi plus 6 xi minus 4 xi cube into epsilon n plus 3 minus 6 xi square epsilon n square minus 4 xi epsilon n cube minus epsilon n power 4. Hence we have cancelling xi on both sides, we have epsilon n plus 1 is equal to 6 xi minus 4 xi cube epsilon n plus 3 minus 6 xi square epsilon n square minus 4 xi epsilon n cube minus epsilon n power 4. Now since the coefficient of epsilon n is not equal to 0, now since 6 xi minus 4 xi cube is not equal to 0, hence the rate of convergence for the given iterative method is 1. Hence option 1 is correct. This option 1 is correct. Thank you for watching.